strcpy, that is string copy. This function copies string from one variable to another variable. This is the basic function. Now for example, integer a equals to 10 and second variable integer b. Now what we do is that b equals to a, right? This is true and will be done also. But when we try to do in this manner, earlier it was integer data type, but over here we are using string data type, character name, forum, and after that I am using char and cty10. Cty is basically any name which you can give. You can either, this is basically a variable name, right? And when I try to use cty is equals to name in this manner, then this is false. This will give an error, as assignment operator will not allow cty, that is variable, to copy name. So now how to copy one string stored in a variable to another string, right? So for that purpose we use strcpy. Now what is the syntax? Syntax is strcpy ds comma ss, right? Now let's see an example but remember this thing, you can also copy any string in this manner. It's not necessary that you have to write only two variables only. You can either write over here you can write variable name, and also you can over here write any string directly, or you can also write any variable. Both the things can occur over here only, right? Over in this highlighted part. See, done? Okay, now important point, when we write character name is equals to forum, then it is okay. But if we write character name in this manner only, uh, but over here we do not give size, only we have simply declared the variable, we have not written in this manner, see, then it will definitely 100% will give error, because you need to write in this manner only, then only you can use empty brackets over here, right? Now let's see a sample code, that is integer main, and after that character name 20 as a string. Then I use strcpy. Means what I want is that in this variable name, forum word should get copied, right? So I have printed copied string is name. Let's see its output. Copied string is forum. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Programming Guru. Thank you guys.